Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix van restriction Valorant. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix this issue, go down to the search box in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. In the search box, type Windows Security, and then open Windows Security under Best Match. Once the Windows Security window is open, come over to the left-hand side where you'll see several different icons. Look for the one labeled Device Security and click on it. This will take you to a new screen. At the top of this page, you'll see a section called Core Isolation. Go ahead and click on Core Isolation Details. Now, under this section, look for Memory Integrity. If Memory Integrity is currently turned off, go ahead and turn it on. If it's already turned on, try switching it off instead. Changing this setting, either turning it on or off, usually resolves the van restriction error in Valorant. After making this change, Windows will prompt you to restart your PC. Make sure you restart your computer so the changes can fully apply. Once your system boots back up, launch Valorant again, and you should now be able to play without seeing the van restriction error. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix van restriction Valorant. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.